Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of Character AI application. So, first, launch open your Character AI application and make sure that you are inside this main homepage. Here I've already been signed into my account and it is showing me this kind of an interface. From the main homepage, tap on the profile button at the bottom right hand corner. This will then open up your profile page. Now tap the gear button at the top right and you'll be able to see a sign out button labeled at the bottom left. Simply tap on sign out and then wait for a few seconds and you'll be redirected to the main login page of Character AI. Before logging out of your account, remember that you must know your credentials whenever you wish to log in back to your account again. That was how you can easily log out of Character AI application. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.